Our big focus today is on the BJP's mega farmers outreach campaign in Bengal. BJP President JP Nadda will be kicking off the farmers outreach program from the Katwa village in Bardhaman district under the Ek Mutho Chal drive, meaning a handful of rice. Nadda will collect rice from farmers. The BJP set its target to approach 74 lakh farmers, and this is spread across 48,000 villages in 23 districts. The BJP campaign will continue till January 24th. BJP workers will essentially move door to door all over the state, seeking alms from members of peasant families. The grain collected will be utilized to prepare meals at community kitchens for farmers and for the poor. The Saffron Party's campaign is aimed at countering Mamata Banerjee. In recent times, top BJP leaders, including Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, have accused Mamata of blocking central schemes for farmers.
The BJP is shifting gears in Bengal. The party that reaped the benefit of Hindutva in the Lok Sabha elections is now trying to widen its base. The party is now planning a People's Connect campaign, starting with farmers to checkmate Mamata Banerjee. BJP President JP Nadda will launch the Ek Mutho Chal campaign in Bardhaman district on Saturday. He will visit the homes of farmers and collect one fistful of rice from them, which will be used for community kitchens.
The main focus of the program is to go and meet farmers. See, this is not a one-off. It's in a series. The last visit was to meet fishermen. This time to meet farmers. We will cover every walk of life in Bengal.
BJP has organized Krishak Suraksha Gram Sabhas, which will engage 74 lakh farmers in the state across 23 districts covering more than 48,000 villages. The Trinamool Congress is questioning the BJP's sincerity.
वो अपने किसानों को देख रहे हैं क्या करेंगे वो दिल्ली को देख रहे हैं क्या ये जो ठंडाई में ये लोग वहां पर है ट्रैक्टर मिছিল कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में नड्डा जी का क्या बोलना है तो यहाँ पर हमारे जो किसान के लिए जो स्कीम्स है वो तो उनके किसान के स्कीम के पहले दीदी ने की थी
अटल जी ने भी Prime Minister Narendra Modi had recently accused the Mamata government of blocking central schemes beneficial to farmers.
बंगाल की सरकार अपने राजनीतिक कारणों से उनके राज्य के किसानों को भारत सरकार से पैसा जाने वाला है। राज्य सरकार को एक कौड़ी का खर्चा नहीं है, फिर भी वो पैसे उनको नहीं मिल रहे हैं।
Even as it launches the Farmer Connect door-to-door campaign, the BJP is not slowing down on Hindutva.
धर्म स्वातंत्र विधेयक हम मध्य प्रदेश में लाए हैं और हम वैसा ही धर्म स्वातंत्र विधेयक जिसको आप मीडिया के लोग लव जिहाद कहते हैं हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो मैं आग्रह करूंगा वो कानून यहाँ भी आए।
मुझे ये बोलना है यहाँ पर तो बीजेपी कभी हुकूमत में नहीं आएगा। बीजेपी के कुछ लोग ऐसा ख्वाब देख रहे हैं, सपना देख रहे हैं और जो लोग ज्यादा गांजा लेते हैं गांजा वो दिन में ही ख्वाब देखते हैं। वो सोचते हैं कि बीजेपी हुकूमत में आएगा, कभी नहीं आएगा।
In an attempt to try to win the state in the next assembly elections, party will now make a complete reach-out plan to the farmers. With only a handful of rice that will be taken from several farmers across the state by every BJP worker in the village, this of course is a message loud and clear that as the party stands by the farmers, it requests them to stand by them in the votes too. With camera person Tapas Berry and Shyam Sundar Ghosh, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
Let's get you all the details about the BJP's latest campaign in Bengal. It's a farmer outreach called Ek Mutho Chal. Now the campaign is essentially a door-to-door rice collection drive. The BJP is aiming to approach 74 lakh farmers via this particular campaign. BJP workers will be travelling across Bengal. So they're going to be covering 48,000 villages. 23 districts will be covered across Bengal in this campaign. The BJP workers essentially will be seeking rice as alms from these farmers. So they'll go to their house and collect a fistful of rice. Now these grains collected will be used in a community kitchen to serve the poor as well as the downtrodden farmers. So this is the mega campaign that the BJP has in mind, with a national focus of also addressing the farmers' protest in the country. And let me take this across now to Manogya Loiwal. She's joining us live from Burdwan in West Bengal. That's where JP Nadda is going to be to launch off this mega campaign and an outreach to farmers, really. Manogya, good morning. Give us a sense of, what JP Nadda's itinerary looks like today.
Well, it's 2021 and the first visit of JP Nadda, the national president, here in the state of West Bengal. It's all set up. This is a 550-year-old temple, Radha Gobind temple, where he'll be arriving in just a few minutes from now. So, Veeda, give us an idea, kya importance hai iski, and what is the significance of his arrival today?
बात है कि ये किसान को सुरक्षा देने के लिए आज ये रैली का उद्घाटन हो रहा है। इस रैली के दौरान हम कृषकों के लिए जो बिल किया गया है उसमें जो विरोध हो रहा है वो इतना दिन तक कृषकों ने, हम लोगों ने देखा कि हर प्रदेश में फसल की जो एमएसपी होता है वो ठीक से मिलता नहीं।
This is a very significant point that you're saying, but as far as the preparations are concerned, these are gala preparations here with flowers, peacock feather, and of course dhan, paddy, everything that you would see here, and of course some rice also. But this is for the prayers and the offerings that would be done. What is the significance of it, Sri Rupadi?
Today we are launching a campaign called Ek Mutho Chal. Our national president Mananiya Nadda ji, he is coming all the way from Delhi to launch this campaign. It's going to be in 58,000 villages thereafter. Today he is arriving here. We are going to welcome him with a traditional Bengali style kulo, dhan, dubbo, etc. And then after this puja in the temple, he is going to go to a Krishak rally, which is going to be one of the big mega rally of the farmers. And in that rally, he is going to launch this Ek Mutho Chal campaign. And after that, he is going to go to the houses of farmers and going to seek one handful of rice.
You're facing protest in the central government. Isn't it the double standard of your party here in Bengal?
Well, that is a Birodhi Goshti of some people who just don't like Modi ji, and they just have to do something or other. Whenever Modi ji is launching a flagship campaign, they are out there on the street, just like another Shaheen Bagh.
Well, whatever you call it, but here in West Bengal, this is a very, very significant trip, a tour where he is not only going to visit the temples, having lunch and meals with the farmers, but also launching one of the most offensive campaign for the 74 lakh farmers across the state today. And this is also a message that the party is trying to send across from the state of West Bengal to the people of West Bengal.
And the focus not just on Bengal, but this will have national resonance, because we're talking about this kind of an outreach happening at a time when there are protests against the farm laws happening across India, the BJP being branded anti-farmer. It is to counter that narrative that you're seeing this happen in Bengal. Manogya will keep coming to you through the day. For the moment, thank you for joining us.